liability. We don't need to be wasting our time, wasting our data. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How we all doing? Hope we are good, we are fine. So happy new year to you guys. I'm officially telling you guys happy new year. Happy new year to you guys. How we all doing? Hope we are good. Hope we enjoy this Christmas and New Year's festa or holiday. Hope we all enjoy it with our family. So guys, today I want to let you know, or I want to show you how to make money on YouTube and how to make money on Facebook. Yes guys, there are many ways to make money online. Okay, so many apps now: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, Facebook page. Now you can make use of your Facebook page in converting your Facebook, your normal Facebook, to Facebook page. Now you can I don't know how to put it. Now you can share your product. Maybe you're selling clothes, you're selling wig, anything. You can share it on YouTube. Okay, when you create your own channel, you can share it on YouTube. So this 2023 is the best year to make your money online, to make your money. Stop being lazy. Okay, nobody wants to be with liability now. Stop being lazy. Not you recharging your data to insult people, to bully people on YouTube or Facebook. Make use of your Facebook. Okay, you can make use of your Facebook page, your normal Facebook. Convert it to your Facebook page. Okay, to have that money, that easy money. You can make video. There's nothing like making video with your family, with maybe what you're doing, with your business idea. You can share business idea on Facebook, on YouTube. Stop using your data to bully people on Facebook. Now is New Year. Now is New Year, January. We are now on January. Plan your schedule. Plan yourself. Know what you want to do, not you being online looking for people to give you urgent 2k, and when they did not give you, you start bullying them, you start insulting them. Okay, nobody is here to feed anybody. We all have family. So I want to let you know that there are many ways to make use of internet, to make use of your Facebook, your YouTube, to earn money. Okay, you don't need to be using your data just to watch film, do anything. You can watch film, that one is normal, but you can also create your own. You can also be a content creator on your own and start making money. You can also use that. They have there is this one of my auntie asked me to join Oppo. I do not have much idea on that one, but Facebook page, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you can make use of all those apps and earn money. No matter the country you are, you're in Nigeria, you're Ghana, you're in Europe, you're Asia, any country you are, you can make money on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok. This is not a sponsored video, but now we are in January. So now you need to plan what you want to make use. Now you want to plan how you want to earn money, how you want to make use of this your year. Okay, if what you did not achieve last year, by the grace of God, this year you will achieve it. Before, I'm not constant in YouTube. I've opened my YouTube for about 2 years or 3 years now. Maybe yes, it's not too, I'm not too having that view, but I have hope. All what I'm doing now is just like I'm investing on my YouTube. Tomorrow one of my video might make me popular, and my growth will start from there. So you, if me, I can do it, you can do it also. So we are in new year now. We don't need to be liability. We don't need to be wasting our time, wasting our data, wasting our energy. Okay, guys. So I'm encouraging you now. I'm encouraging you today. Start online. Some people currency, I don't know how they do it, but check if it's legit. You can make use of your YouTube, you can make use of your Facebook, you can tell story about yourself, you can tell story about your environment. Okay, you can tell story about what you have been through in life. Every of us have good and bad in life, so you can make use of your story. Don't mind what people will say. Some people will say, oh, I don't have ring light, I don't have good phone. I'm using my Android to make my video. Not that I cannot afford iPhone or what, but I'm using the one that I can make use of now, that is available now. Okay, so you need to start making your money. Don't delay. This year is our year of victory, is our year of success. So we need to hustle, buckle up. There are many ways you can start your online business, selling anything, advertising it in your page, advertising it in your channel. Okay, so I'm here to encourage you. If you are doubting, oh, can I do this? Yes, you can. If I can do it, you can. Some people are saying, oh, I don't know how to speak English. My English no strong, my English no correct. And they do am the way I learn, the way where I stop now. I don't fit kill myself. Who English help? English no help anybody. If English help, worry pikin, na English na im help am where im dey today. No, na the broken way im dey speak. People like am. People like im broken way im dey speak, im pidgin way im dey speak. Why all these people use all these people wey be say if na for English I use them as a point. Dem no speak correct English reach where dem dey. No be say dem no sabi the correct English, but dem sabi am, but no be the correct English give dem the money. Na the broken and their personality. Okay, so I'm here to tell you, start your own. Stop being a liability to your husband, to your wife. Girlfriend will say, oh, some people will say, if you did not give me money, I will not do this. You can make your own money. You can make your own money. Yes, there are many ways to make money, but this one is the simple and easy way to make money in 2023. Okay, hope you learn something from this video. Please like our video, comment, subscribe. Okay, if you need any help to open Facebook page, I'm here to show you how to make open Facebook page. You can follow me on my page, Sharon and Chris TV, on Facebook, on Instagram, Sharon and Chris TV, on TikTok, Sharon and Chris TV. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget that no time is late. No time is late. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and be good. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye. See you in our next video. Ciao.